Here's how your team can use ChatGPT-style commands right within Zendesk. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of Zendesk's new Copilot feature, Custom Prompts. Let's go. Imagine you've got a scrappily written message like this, composed in a rush and with all sorts of errors. There are spelling mistakes, the formatting's all over the place, and the total price is unclear. Now, we can ask Zendesk to sort all of that out for us in one command. Click on Enhance Writing, and then in the text box, write your custom command that you'd like Zendesk to do to this text. Hit enter and there you have it. Zendesk has fixed up your message for you, sorting out the grammar and spelling mistakes, formatting your bullet points, and tallying the total cost for you. The use cases for this tool are limitless. Be it fact-checking, instantly translating a message, looking up and inserting international dialing codes, all of this is now possible without ever leaving the Composer UI. Let us know your use cases below.